Standard 6 Subject Science Lesson number 16 The Universe Part 5. In our previous video we had studied about the solar system and the sun. Solar system consists of the sun, the planet, asteroid, comets and meteor. The planet Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can be easily seen. The Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planets, whereas the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Outer planets have rings around them. Sun. The Sun, which is at the center of the solar system, is a yellow colored star. The size of the Sun is so huge that around 13 lakh planets of the size of the Earth can be easily placed within it. Its surface temperature is around 6000 degrees Celsius. The Sun rotates around its axis, and while doing so, it revolves around the center of the Milky Way, taking the solar system along with it. In this video, we are going to start about the planet. So, the very first topic which we are going to learn is Mercury. Planet is closest to the Sun. It is visible in the morning and evening if it is away from the Sun. A number of depressions which look like volcanic craters but are actually caused by meteoric falls can be seen on the surface of Mercury. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. The planet Mercury is very difficult to study from the Earth because of its proximity to the Sun. It is the second smallest planet and also the fastest in its orbit since it is the innermost planet. Mercury is a lump of rock barely larger than the Moon, living under the furious heat of burning sun. It experiences extremes in the temperature from over 400 degrees Celsius at noon to less than minus 150 degrees Celsius at night. Mercury is planet of extreme variation. It is hotter on Venus, which is less fluctuation. The temperature on the planet may reach 450 degrees Celsius during the day, but at night the temperature may as low as 170 degrees Celsius. Inside the Mercury is more like the Earth. It has a core made up of iron, and the center may be molten, kept hot by radiation deep within the core. So Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and it is visible in the morning and the evening if it is away from the Sun. Venus. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is seen in the sky in the east before the sun rises and in the west after the sun sets. It rotates around itself from east to west. It is the hottest planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the brightest natural object in the Earth night sky after the Moon, Venus can cast shadow and can be on rare occasion visible to the naked eyes in a broad day light. Similar to Earth, Venus is similar to Earth in size. It takes 8 months to rotate on its axis and 7.5 months to revolve around the Sun. Planets rotate from east to west. In the ancient times, Venus was often thought to be two different stars, the evening star and the morning star, that is the ones that first appeared at sunset and sunrise. It is the third planet of the solar system. No other planet other than the Earth has life on it. As the Earth is a magnet, there is a magnetic field around the Earth. It diverts the harmful rays from the Sun towards the polar region of the Earth. Most of the surface is covered by water. The Earth is the planet where we live. Most of the surface is covered by water. That is why it's called the blue planet. The land is made up of with continent and islands. The water can be found in the sea, ocean, rivers, lakes and ponds. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. The Earth is made up of many things. Deep inside Earth near its center lies Earth core, which is mostly made up of nickel and iron. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. It has an atmosphere made up of many different gases, but mainly it is nitrogen and oxygen. The atmosphere gives us air to breathe. We live on the planet Earth. The Earth orbits around the Sun. It takes 1 year to go around the Sun, one complete time. The Earth also rotates or spins on its axis. It takes 1 day to spin around one complete time. The Earth axis is not straight up and down, but tilted a little bit. The tilt is responsible for us having seasons. So, in this video, we had studied about planet Mercury, Venus and Earth. In next video, we are going to study about Mars and Jupiter. Thank you.